Hello and welcome to Barb Talks. Today we're getting a new street tree put in. Our old one has been dead for years and it's time for a new tree. So let's get started. Here's what the tree looks like. It's pretty darn dead. Here's the work crew coming in with their big machines. First, they're going to cut down the limbs of the tree and cut the base of the tree so that they can grind the stump area out. And here's the work crew coming in with their machine to grind up the root. So that machine, he's been running by a remote control. He's just putting the remote control away now. You think about all those little kids with their remote controls thinking, how are you ever going to make a living off playing with remote controls? Well, this is a perfect example of a man who makes a living playing with remote control cars. I can think of a lot of kids I know that would think your job would be the dream job to ever have.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
They've got a tree picked out specifically for the area. We're putting in an Arapaho Crepe Myrtle, which is a smaller street tree so that it won't outgrow its small space in the parking strip.
Right now, with all the rainfall we've been getting, if we get into like some dry weather, or like we stop getting rainfall, this is a once a week fill up. It holds 15 gallons. I'll zip it up around the trunk, and then this side will leave towards your house, and you just stick a hose in this hole, pull it up, and 15 gallons once a week usually is the rule of thumb. Get into summer, if it looks like that's not enough and you have like dry soil still around there, I mean, we've been getting some really hot summers, then you might want to do it kind of not twice a week necessarily, because this is still a really small tree, but like once every 5 days instead of once every 7 days kind of thing, if it looks like it's not getting enough moisture. And there are instructions underneath here if for some reason you forget. I'll zip this up on the trunk once we get it all done and dressed up.
The guys got their work done. They did it well. They cleaned up after themselves at the end. Something that I've wanted to have done for quite a while is to get a new street tree in the place of the one that had died. And now we're going to have, with the Arapaho Crepe Myrtle, there's berries, there's flowers, there's beautiful colored bark. Looking forward to enjoying this tree. Thanks for being a part of our tree planting today, and thanks for watching Barb Talks.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.